Corrupt Excel files can cause lots of problems. The reasons for corruption, there's lots and there's varied, and it's quite difficult to understand always. But just to show you, if you've got a corrupt file, so we've got one here, you know it's corrupt, you now just want to get as much information out of it as you can. When you click on it, don't double click when you open. Go over here and go open, and you'll see at the bottom there's open and repair. When you click on it, you'll see it says it can try and recover as much as possible. So there's a repair option. Chances are that's already hasn't worked for you. Then there's an extract data option, and what it says, basically if you cannot repair it, it'll just try and pull out just the data, and you'll often lose the formulas. When you click extract data, it then says it may have references, it can't recover them. Do you want to convert these formulas to values or recover as much as possible? I'm going to say convert to values. Then give you a little bit of a warning. Unfortunately, you're going to have to accept. And then hopefully you'll at least have access to the spreadsheet. And at this point, try and avoid copying sheets. Just copy the data that you actually need that's important to you.